If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Cyberpunk 2077, this guide will help you optimize your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to reduce stuttering and improve performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Over the graphics settings in the game. Navigate to the Options menu, select the Graphics tab, and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and crowd density. This will lessen the load on your system. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 3. Enable performance mode. If you are using a gaming laptop or a system with power settings, switch to performance mode. This can be done through the control panel or system settings. Performance mode prioritizes gaming performance over energy efficiency. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Cyberpunk 2077 to utilize more CPU and RAM, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 5. Verify game files. If you are playing through a platform like Steam or GOG, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, ensuring the game runs smoothly. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the frame rate and overall performance of Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.